Hi, everybody. Your video is on the way while it's loading. A couple of seconds from us here at Thomasville Toyota, where you drive home happy. Folks, enter our digital showroom at thomasvilletoyota.com. You can click me now, and it'll take you right there. thomasvilletoyota.com, where you drive home happy.
Abused and neglected children will soon have a new place to find safety and shelter. Eyewitness News reporter Emily Johnson found out what the Good News Music Festival means for children across the Big Bend.
Folks in Madison County enjoyed some good food and great music at the Good News Music Festival Saturday. They came out to support the Madison Youth Ranch, a local children's refuge center being built by the Florida United Methodist Children's Home.
The youth need people who care. I have been a licensed foster parent myself, and I have seen kids that really needed some extra special loving.
From local churches supporting the event to the musicians performing, all the proceeds from the festival will go to building a chapel at the ranch site.
District Superintendent's goal is for all the churches in this area, which is over 100 churches, to fund the chapel.
This site right behind me will be where the chapel will be built for the Madison Youth Ranch. The facility is being modeled after the Florida United Methodist Children's Home in Orlando, but with a Western twist.
We want to have horses, a ranch setting, a place where when they get home from school at the end of the day, they have a place to go where they know that they're safe and they're loved and they're cared for.
The next phase for the ranch is to finish the director's home along with the cottages. Plans also include an equestrian facility.
Building the horse stable area and the paddock, which will be a big part of our therapeutic program for the kids. And eventually we'll be building a chapel. And that's what today's all about, is really supporting the spiritual side of this campus.
The youth ranch is slated to be completed by fall of next year. In Madison County, Emily Johnson, WCTV Eyewitness News.
And the music festival lasted all day at the Madison County Community Center. Their goal was to raise about $5,000.